Hello friends, today we start a chapter 3, pair of linear equation in two variable. Exercise 3.3, question 1. Solve the following pair of linear equation by the substitution method. Question 1, 5. Square root 2x plus square root 3y is equal to 0. Square root 3x minus square root 8y is equal to 0. First equation is square root 2x plus square root 3y is equal to 0, that is equation 1. Another equation, square root 3x minus square root 8y is equal to 0, that is equation number 2. First equation 2 convert in x form. Square root 3x is equal to square root 8y, therefore x is equal to square root 8 divided by square root 3 into 1. So value of x is equal to square root 8 divided by square root 3 into 1 in equation number 1. Then square root 2x plus square root 3y is equal to 0. Substitute x is equal to square root 8 by square root 3 into 1. Okay, so therefore x is equal to square root 2, x is equal to square root 8 divided by square root 3 into 1 plus square root 3y is equal to 0. Multiply by square root 2 multiply with square root 8. 8 to the under root square root 16y, and root 3 multiply with root 3. Root 3 into root 3 y is equal to 0. Square root 16, that means 4y. 4y plus square root 3 to square root 3, 3y is equal to 0. Therefore 7y is equal to 0. Therefore y is equal to 0 divided by 1. Therefore y is equal to 0. Y is equal to 0 when you put in this form in any equation 1, 2 and otherwise x is equal to square root 8 by square root 3 into 1. Therefore x is equal to square root 8 by square root 3 into 1. Substitute y is equal to 0. Therefore x is equal to square root 8 square root 3 into 0. Therefore x is equal to 0. Therefore solution of x1 is equal to 0, 0. Remember this one. In equation 1 and equation 2 there is no constant term. If equation 1 and equation 2 there are no constant term, then value of x and y both are always 0. Remember this one. इक्वेशन 1 और इक्वेशन 2 में कांस्टेंट टर्म नहीं है. ax plus by plus c is equal to 0, that is the standard form. ax by but c is equal to 0 in both equation. दोनों इक्वेशन में कांस्टेंट टर्म नहीं है. that means डायरेक्टली हम फाइंड कर सकते हैं वेरिएबल, दोनों वेरिएबल की वैल्यू क्या होगी 0, 0. that means x and y both are 0, 0. remember this one. Next, 3x by 2 minus 5y by 3 is equal to negative 2 and x by 3 plus y by 2 is equal to 13 by 16. First 3x by 2 minus 5y by 3 is equal to negative 2. First you take the LCM of 2 and 3, that is equal to 6. LCM is equal to 6. Therefore cross multiply 3 3s are 9x minus 2 5 are 10y and 6 multiply with minus 2, that is equal to minus 9. 3 3 are 9x, 5 2 are 10y, 3 2 are 6 multiply with minus 2, that is minus 9. Therefore equation of this 9x minus 10y plus 12 is equal to 0, that is the equation 1. Similarly simplify by equation 2, x by 3 plus y by 2 is equal to 13 by 6. Here LCM of 3, 2 and 6, that is equal to 6. So 3 multiply by 2, that is equal to 6. Therefore x multiply with 2. 3 को हमने 2 से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे तो 6 आएगा. Therefore x multiply with 2, that is equal to 2x 3y 2x plus 3y divided by 3 to the 2x plus 3y divided by 3 to the 6 is equal to 13 by 6. Both 6 will be cancelled. 2x plus 3y is equal to 13. That is equation number 2. Equation 2 converting x y form. Therefore 2x is equal to 13 minus 3y is equal to 13 minus 3x. Therefore, x is equal to 13 minus 3y whole divided by 2. Substitute x is equal to 13 minus 3y. ये हमने सेकंड इक्वेशन से फाइंड किया. तो substitute in equation 1. x is equal to 13 minus 3y by 2. Therefore, first equation is 9x minus 10y plus 12 is equal to 0. Substitute x is equal to 13 minus 3y whole divided by 2. 9 x means 13 minus 3y whole divided by 2 minus 10y plus 12 is equal to 0. 9 multiply with 13 and 3y and 2 multiply with these two numbers. 9 multiply with 13, 170 minus 27y minus 10 to the 20y plus 12 to the 24 is equal to 0. 117 plus 24, that is equal to 141 minus 47y is equal to 0. Therefore, 47y is equal to 141. Y is equal to 141 divided by 47. Y is equal to 3. Substitute y is equal to 3 in this form. X is equal to 13 minus 3y whole divided by 2. Substitute y is equal to 3. Therefore, x is equal to 13 minus 3 into 3 divided by 2. 13 minus 9 divided by 2. It is equal to 4 divided by 2. Therefore, value of x is equal to 2. Therefore, final solution xy is equal to 2. And x is equal to 2 and y is equal to 3. इसमें पहले सिंप्लीफाई करना, एलसीएम लेना, बाद में दोनों इक्वेशन फाइंड होता है. कोई भी एक इक्वेशन से हमें x और y, इधर x और y, कोई भी एक वैल्यू हमें कन्वर्ट करना, x को तो y के फॉर्म में कन्वर्ट करना. If y is equal to form, then convert into x form. Then substitute value in another equation to find the value y, and substitute y is equal to in this form. Then find the value of x. And the solution of the equation x y is equal to 2, 3. Here, remember, there is an important question. Example question number 2. It is an important question for the exam. Solve 2x plus 3y is equal to 11. 2x minus 4y is equal to negative 24, and hence find the value of m for which y is equal to mx plus 3. क्वेश्चन में क्या कहा है? दो इक्वेशन दिया है. दोनों इक्वेशन को पहले हम सब्स्टिट्यूशन मेथड से सॉल्व करेंगे. मींस फाइंड द वैल्यू ऑफ x एंड y. फिर हमें m की वैल्यू फाइंड करनी है. x और y की वैल्यू मिल जाए वो सब्स्टिट्यूट कर देना, इसमें रख देना. x is equal to suppose मिला -2, y is equal to 5. Put this value -2 and 5. Find the value of m. Okay. See here. 2x plus 3y is equal to 11. That is equation 1. And another equation 2x minus 4y is -24. That is equation 2. So equation 2 we convert in x form. 2x is equal to minus plus 4y minus 24. Therefore, x is equal to 4y minus 24 divided by 2. Therefore, here 2 is common. 2y minus 12 divided by 2. 2 cancel. Therefore, x is equal to 2y minus 12. Substitute value x is equal to 2y minus 12 in another equation is equation number 1. क्योंकि हमें सेकंड इक्वेशन से x की वैल्यू फाइंड की, तो हमें उसमें रखनी पड़ेगी फर्स्ट इक्वेशन में. 2x plus 3y is equal to 11. Substitute x is equal to 2y minus 12. Okay, 2y minus 12. That means 2x, that means 2y minus 12 plus 3y is equal to 11. 2 into 2y, that is equal to 4y minus 24 plus 3y is equal to 11. 4y plus 3y, that is equal to 7y is equal to 11 plus 24. 7y is equal to 35. Therefore, y is equal to 35 divided by 7. Therefore, y is equal to 5. Here, substitute value y in this form. Okay, x is equal to 2y minus 12 substitute y is equal to 5, therefore x will be 2 into 5 minus 12, 10 minus 12, therefore x is equal to negative 2. Therefore the final answer means solution of equation is negative 2 and positive 5. Substitute x and y value in this form, y is equal to mx plus 3. हमें इसमें वैल्यू रखनी है, y is equal to 5, m, x is equal to minus 2 plus 3, 5 minus 2m plus 3, therefore 5 minus 3 is equal to minus 2m, therefore 2 is equal to minus 2m, therefore m is equal to 2 divided by minus 2, therefore value of m is equal to negative 1. तो इसमें कुछ नया नहीं है, पहले हमें x और y की वैल्यू फाइंड करनी है सब्स्टिट्यूशन मेथड से, फिर हमें x और y की वैल्यू इस इक्वेशन में सब्स्टिट्यूट करना, तो हमें अननोन नंबर है n, उसकी वैल्यू फाइंड करना है। ओके, थैंक यू फ्रेंड्स।